Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to restrict data usage on Viber. Maybe you are concerned about your data usage while using Viber and you want to find ways to limit it. So today I'm going to show you how to restrict data usage on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, tap on Media. Here, you will find this Restrict Data Usage option. By default, this option is turned off, which means that Viber uses data freely. Now, to restrict data usage, simply tap on this button next to it. Once you do that, the button will be checked, indicating that the data saver is now enabled. Viber will now optimize its data consumption, reducing the amount of data it utilizes while making calls or sending messages. This is particularly useful if you are on a limited data plan or you have a slow internet connection. There you go. If you wanted to know how to restrict data usage on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to restrict data usage on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.